values that unite each other's duty, honor, kindness, and selflessness. This ceremony represents our collective promise to embody Scouting principles, duty, country, and others, fostering resilience, integrity, and a sense of community. May this event inspire us to empower each other, forge unbreakable bonds, and shape compassion. Officer of Boy Scout of the Philippines, Agusan Council. And now please help me welcome Scouter Mark M. Mondano. A round of applause.
Good morning. Nakapaniod to na mo. Okay, otro na ako. Good morning. Murag kulang pa. Good morning. Hep hep. Hooray. Mabu. Hey, if I say mabu, say hi. Mabu! Hi! Okay. Senior Scouts, di mo mangkod? Okay, so good morning everyone. So basi matingala ang mga parents, why is it na good morning ko nga alas 2 naman. So in Scouting, sa Boy Scout of the Philippines, we say good morning because the mindset of being a Scout is always morning. Especially to the Senior Scouts, because we think that every day, every hour, every minute, we need to be productive. No? And musubay siya sa prinsipyo namo as a Scout, the guiding principles, which is the three duties: the duty to God, duty to country, and duty to ourselves. Okay, so namo karon dire para sa investiture ceremony. So the investiture ceremony
age or position. He knows that good manners make it easier for people to get along together.
A Scout is kind.
A Scout is kind. A Scout understands that there is strength in being gentle. He treats others as he wanted to be treated. He does not harm nor kill any living creatures needlessly, but will strive to save and protect all harmless life.
A Scout is obedient.
A Scout is obedient. A Scout follows the rules of his family, school. To welcome these participants as new Scouts, it is a symbolic ceremony denoting a milestone in Scouting, accepting the duties and responsibilities as well as the broader commitment to society to engage and understand. And now let's proceed to our drawing ceremony to our Senior Scout, Palakpakan. Requesting the presence of the parents and guardians of the Senior Scouts.
I'm happy when I'm hiking backpack on my back. I'm happy when I'm hiking off the beach.
Once again, palakpakan!
Cub Scouts, Boy Scouts, and Senior Scouts of Sacred Heart School of Butuan. Welcome to the Brotherhood of Scouting. Let us now together make our affirmation to our responsibilities.
To complete the baptism of the new members of the Boy Scout, may I request the presence again of Scouter Mark M. Mondano, Council Advancement Officer, to execute the Scout benediction. Palakpakan!
Scouts, take my command. Attention!
Again, to end this event, may I request everybody to please stand for the exit of colors, followed by the recessional of the new Scouts.
Dan na. Dan. You wait sa tayo magdan pa. No, not yet, not yet. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done na. Wait, oh. Not yet. Stand up lang di sa imong green.
This marks a milestone in your lives as Scouts and is a mark of progress for both you and your leaders. You as Scouts and your council are moving forward as a small group, just as the whole Philippine Scout organization is constantly moving forward. It is a joyful journey you are following together, and find that the greatest joy of the journey is the friendship of working together, playing together, and growing together. And now before we leave, let's have first our community dance. Facilitators, please facilitate your Scouts. Again, Scouts, do not throw your cups.
Smile.
Okay, where's Teacher Eva and Teacher Grace? Teacher Rian.
Stand straight.
And now let's